Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to another one of my hashtag Anker Power Series shows here on YouTube, courtesy of me, Adventure Link. That's me! So, as Joe Guerrero from the After Prison show would say, let's jump in feet first, not head first, and dive into this latest product that they gave me to show off and review. This is from the Soundcore division, Soundcore Strike 3. Virtual 7.1 surround sound headphones. These are custom tuned and sounded for FPS games, compatible with PC and PS4. Right, you can consider this section to be a quick test of the microphone, just to let you all hear how good it sounds. This will not be edited, but on the box it said PC and PS4 compatibility. Well, guess what? I managed to make this pair of headphones work on both macOS Mojave and macOS Catalina, the newest version of macOS X. All I had to do was just plug it into an empty USB port. Boom! There's the side of the box. It's a water-resistant microphone. Here's all the cool features on this. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read all the features on this box. It has a Soundcore gaming app. That's what I expect to see in the box. Cooling gel-infused cushions. Stuff on the bottom. More stuff on the side. And that's pretty much what the box looks like. So, as Voltar would say, you better sit back, strap on, and prepare yourselves for the Virtual 7.1 surround sound unboxing and review from Soundcore/Anker. Let's do it. So, as you kind of saw from my little intro there's a tab. You pull that out. Next thing you'll do is take that, pull this out. Pop that out. Up, flap down, flap down, flap down. Up. How do we sound? By Soundcore. Little questionnaire thing. Toss that to the side. Here's our instruction manual, or the quick start guide. Now we pull out this tray. Right, there's the tray. It's coming. Perfect. Tray's out. Now we got the grand prize of our Virtual 7.1 Surround Sound Strike 3 headphones. Gotta pull this up. That'll reveal all the goodies. Your USB Type A cord, which appears to be integrated into the headphones themselves. The mouthpiece that goes into the headphones, there's one of those barrel jacks that I would have guessed plugged into the headphone, and that's pretty much all there is for the unboxing. Like I said, there's this microphone here, and I gotta flip this over to see where I plug this in at. Goes in like that. Plug it in here, boom. As Taraz Cool would say, boom. Now to make sure it's the right orientation, there's your right headphone, there's your left. Yeah. So, that's part of the setup of these headphones. Now we gotta do the other things to set this up. So, as part of a comment that I got on my other headphone show from a Floyd2386, I forgot to show off the obligatory headshot, because he also has a big head like me. So, this is pretty much what the headphones look like with my big head on them, or my headphones on my big head rather. You can see they fit pretty good. Nice little cushy parts that will stick to my ear, and I could probably wear these for quite a while and not get hurt with them. Yeah. So to Floyd2386 and the other ones that want to see a obligatory headshot of how headphones fit and work with big heads like mine and his too, well, there you go. Just hooked my Soundcore headphones into the computer. This is what it looks like when it has electricity going through it. Of course, I still need the app. Of course, link will in the video description. Here's this little switch pod thing that's into the headphones. It's got several functions. One's for the 7.1 surround sound, on, off, boom. You can tell because it's got the 7.1 logo on the switch. Additionally, there's one up here for the microphone. It's on, off, on, boom. And furthermore, this little dial down here, that's a volume control. You just push it up towards the mic to turn up your volume. Push the volume knob down towards the 7.1 switch to turn it down. Pretty nifty. Okay, so a quick Cortana test. Soundcore Strike 3 selected. We'll go down to Cortana. Hi, Cortana. Works just fine. Just so you know, it's not just Cortana this thing works with. Oh no. I've got my input default set to Soundcore Strike 3. I'm going to go over to the Siri, click the Siri. Hi, Siri. And as Taraz Cool would say, boom. More fun with Siri. Again, Soundcore Strike 3. Gonna click the Siri. Let's do it. I am your father. So if it works in Cortana and it works on my iMac when it comes to recording audio and using it in iMovie, it'll work in pretty much anywhere else. Guaranteed. Okay, let's go investigate the Soundcore Strike 3 app. There's plenty of options here. There's one to adjust the mic. You can boost the mic, adjust the volume of the mic, and click the one to further strengthen the volume of the microphone. That's what the boost does. EQ Equalizer, you can play with the equalizer, turn 3D effects on and off. There's 3 presets for games. You can even make your own customized equalizer. And then surround, which is what we was on before. You can create your own custom surround sound. You can drag each and every one of these to suit your needs. Like that C, I can drag that. I can drag this R, or I can click on the RF and then drag that down. Same with the RS. Again, click, drag. And of course, if you want to reset back to default, boom, hit reset and say yes. Then of course you can always test your surround sound by hitting the play button. Okay, so let's see what this surround sound sounds like. Sounds pretty good, pretty familiar. Here's some gameplay real quick. Some good old UT99 Game of the Year edition. Here's what the headphones sound like. Of course it's up to high setting, so it'll probably pull your eardrums out, but for the purposes of this video, yeah. And to wrap this little video of ours up, I just want to make a comment about these little air-cooled headphone things. You know, these cloth things that my fingers are rubbing on. I must say I played a whole bunch of games, I did a whole bunch of YouTube videos. Because, yes, I can say that, because these apparently work on Macs as well. But they keep my ears nice and cool. No more ear sweat. Yeah. I could be gaming or editing videos or whatever for hours and hours and hours. It feels just fine. Awesome. No ear sweat. Unfortunately, I don't have a source for these headphones right now. But if I do get a source for them, like say off Amazon or something, I'll put them in the video description. Other than that, I say these Soundcore Strike 3 headphones get my seal of approval. In fact, they're a lot better than the other Anker headphones I tested out. You know, these little bad boys right here. I actually prefer these. Don't get me wrong, these are still good headphones as well. These things right here, they're still good. These are much better. Gaming headset, works anywhere I want. Video editing, Cortana, sound recording, in-game. How can you go wrong? So yeah, I'm sorry that I don't got a source for these headphones yet, but I will work on getting one. So with that being said, this is my review on the Soundcore Strike 3 Virtual 7.1 Surround Sound Headphones. I'm Adventure. Thank you for watching this installment of the Anker Power Series. Hopefully more cool Anker content will come your way. Thanks for your support past, present, and future. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, praise, criticisms, blah, 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 you know what to do. Mosey on down to that YouTube comment box down below this video. Additionally, be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family and others who may be interested in a pair of these awesome gaming headphones or is in the market for headphones as a whole. Please do, because it tells YouTube and myself if I'm doing a good job or not. I'm not making crappy videos. It gets my word out, keeps my living going here on YouTube, and many other cool things. Yeah. And as always, if you never want to miss another video from me again, you gotta ring that bell. Medical bills and social media, video description as well. Please check that out. Please consider donating. Please consider following me. Any amount helps out, and as Games from the Grave would say, it'll keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Now we're going to sign off with the wide words of wisdom from Eric Dakar, and remind you guys to be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. And as Erica would say, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care. See you for the next video. Till then, have yourself a good rest of your day, evening, whatever time it is for you. Have a good one.